Misplay crashing usually comes down to low device storage, outdated app versions, or background services being blocked by your phone's battery settings, especially after system updates. By the end of this, you'll know how to stop the crashes, fix freezing on launch, and get Mistplay running normally again without losing your progress. First fix is storage. Mistplay needs free space to load game data and track rewards. When storage gets tight, the app can close instantly or freeze on startup. Go to your phone settings and check available storage. If you're nearly full, delete unused apps, large videos, or cached files, then restart your phone before opening Mistplay again. Next step is updating the app. Older versions of Mistplay can conflict with newer phone software, especially after Android or iOS updates. Open the App Store or Google Play, search Mistplay, and install any available update. After updating, fully close the app from recent apps, and relaunch it. If it still crashes, check background restrictions. Some phones aggressively limit apps running in the background to save battery. Mistplay needs background access to track sessions properly. Go into battery settings, find Mistplay, and set it to unrestricted or allow background activity. Then reopen the app and test it again. Another common issue is corrupted cache data. When temporary files break, the app can crash every time it tries to load. On Android, go into App Settings, open Mistplay, and clear cache. If that doesn't help, clear storage data as a last resort, then log back into your account. On iPhone, reinstalling the app does the same job since there's no manual cache clear option. Also check if your phone recently installed a system update. System updates can reset permissions or change how background apps behave. Restart your device after any update to reset system services and stabilize app performance. If Mistplay still crashes after all of that, reinstall the app completely. Delete it. Restart your phone, then install it fresh from the official store. This removes any broken files that a normal update won't fix. Most crashes come from storage pressure, outdated versions, or background restrictions blocking the app from running properly. Free up storage first, keep the app updated, and make sure battery settings aren't limiting Mistplay. If this fixed your issue, like the video and subscribe for more quick fixes for mobile apps and reward platforms.